round two. So it's going to be a little bit of a Subaru, Toyota again, whatever else. So this is a what is this one? High Country, Duramax, diesel, Chevy, Fine New Roads. Another nice red. Bad boy, huh? It's nice. Well, what do you guys think, huh? What do you think, huh?
This is the old one.
I like the I like the cloth. Those Tundras are nice too as well. What year is this one?
This must be a 22. It's got the old dad.
Oh, okay. So now we're going to get into the big. This is you could have this. You could get one of these for you want an independent haul snow for people. Put a plow in the front of this bad boy. Prostitute yourself out. These are nice. It's got the diesel in there. You better have the Allison transmission or not buying it. The original grocery getter. How's the legroom in there?
Awesome.
Is it? Yeah, it looks nice. Nice. Woo-hoo. Beautiful. You look good in there. Off you go to Duluth, my friend.
Okay,
Nice. Gonna go south down to Florida. Yeah, it's nice. This is the original grocery getter. Original SUV right here.
Yeah, they made them back in 1920s.
Yep, the original SUVs.
Yeah.
Yep. So here we go. Oh, there it is. It's the original Suburban 28. For the Camry Ivory. No, I'm sorry, I get it, but I think you still have to need a choice when it comes to how you want to get around. I get electric, but if you still have gas, trust me, we can get 100 miles a gallon if they want to. They can do it. I get having a choice. It's nice to have a choice. You choose when to live, you choose when to marry, whatever. My point. Built in Kentucky, baby. That's a pretty good trunk. You could put golf clubs in here. Great car rent down there. These are just the small little rice burners. 25 grand's not too bad. Mazda's over here.
Another CX-9.
That bad boy. It's kind of nice. I like that. It's a nice vehicle. 2023. See, that's just. I'm sorry, but that can be much, much better. Much, much better.
CX.
Here, I love these. I love these colors. This GoPro brings it out real well. Look at that. It's nice. See if we can get in here. Let's see if my fat ass can get in here, shall we? Oh. No, I can't get in there. Probably have the seat go back. So the seat will go back. Let's see. All right, let's get in here. Not too bad, but I guess, yeah. I like it. Oh my, this would be a nice little vehicle. And all these should still come with CDs as far as I'm concerned. We still buy CDs. Every vehicle should have a CD player in it. People do listen to CD albums, you know, CD books. Here's a little, two-seater. Oh my God. Look at that bad boy, huh? Oh my God. I want to get a car. It's that bad boy. That's nice. Sky Active, nice. What do you think, huh? MX-5, where you go?
He's already got one.
You do it? How do you like it? You gangster around it all day long? I got a PT Cruiser convertible. It's a 2005.
yeah.
People call it my fag car, but I bought it for $5 grand. I love it. It only drives in the summertime.
Yeah.
It's a PT Cruiser. I love. People call it my fag car, but I love it. I used to have a 1999 Sebring. I love that too as well. But anyway.
So he's thinking about trading his old one in for this new one, and he says, "Oh, he'll get more money for the old one." I said, "What?"
Well, I just keep the old one. I'm going to hang on that PT Cruiser for years. I'm going to hang on to it. I love it.
Yeah.
All right, happy hunting, my friend. So here, I was over here in the Winnebago, you guys. I'll go over there. It's an all four-wheel drive. I'll show you that real quick. It's nice. I like the nice little vehicle. Oh, I like how the battery is away over here and easy to get to too as well. It's rare. That's rare because usually my Sebring, it was down by the tire. So this is actually, you can start it. I like that. It's actually an open motor. Not bad. T-Mobile is here, obviously. But this Winnebago right here is all four-wheel drive. This is another one I'd buy. I'd buy it and I'd pull this would be I wouldn't sleep in this thing, but I'd pull my pop-up. This would be the ideal one. Nice. You can haul your toys in there. Pleasure on it. So, yeah, nice. And we also have motorcycles over here too as well.
Avery, look at mommy.
Oh yeah, here we go. Look at this bad boy.
Where's Theo?
Oh yeah. Oh, the kid's over there. He's on the what do you want to call that bad boy? Slingshot. Those are epics. Yeah. What do you guys think, huh? Maverick. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that gangster. That's nice. That's a slingshot, right?
No.
What is it?
The Can-Am Spider.
Oh, okay. Cool. Sorry.
Slingshot is Polaris.
Okay. Sorry, wrong one.
Oh, that's all good.
Nice. They finally, I think you can finally buy these now without having to have you don't have to have a motorcycle license. They finally.
Actually, I think they changed it now. According to that, it looks like you just need a three-wheeler license.
Wow. So that's nice. I like it. So someone else copied the Polaris then.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Pretty much.
That looks pretty cool.
Although I don't remember exactly which one was out first.
Slingshot. Slingshot was. It was the name that was out first. Then they brought these out. That's fine. Doesn't really matter as long as you do it right. That bad boy. Oh my goodness. Four-wheeler. That bad boy. Yeah, this bad boy, huh? Oh, go ahead. You go ahead. It's no big deal. Ooh, yeah. That's a nice one. Look at that bad boy. Oops. There you go. Look at that one. $41,000? That would be too bad. You were going to use this around your farm? Hell yeah. That bad boy, huh? Ooh-hoo-hoo. This one is, again, it's not bad. If you're going to use this around your farm, this is an all-purpose vehicle run right here. This is screwing around the field. Yeah, I thought it was a slingshot. Obviously, I'm an idiot. But got. So you can also over here, you guys, you can drive up here. See how they're driving? I'm not waiting in line to drive a 4-wheel drive truck. So you can cruise around. I don't know why it's a big deal, but
It's a super long thing. You just sign up and just drive.
I guess you go there, but it's not a big deal. I've done it before. Just you can drive a truck around.
Can't drive it because the boat is all over
So yeah. You guys liking the auto show?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you can. They drive them all. I've seen better ones. They have like a bigger track, you know.
Oh, sure.
So
Anyone crash one yet?
what? No, I probably. You probably guarantee it.
I mean, just bump the edge a little bit.
Man, what the hell? Say I did it by accident, you know?
Yeah. Maybe throw out a transmission.
Why not?
Know how to shift
Hey,
properly.
have a hall pass. Anyone, me or you or anybody.
Anybody.
Just go, my name is Aaron Hernandez. I'm the gangster, huh? I'm Aaron Hernandez. I'm the gangster. Aaron.
Do you have to put it in crawl to go over, or can
Just
you
buck-
hit gas
buck
as
the hell,
fast
get the
as you
gas.
want?
Just put him up front, let
I
him
want
do
to
it.
jump
yeah.
it.
All right, jump what the hell, right? All right. All right, guys.